Your thyroid is an organ located at the front of your neck, just below the Adam's apple. It is essentially your body's control panel for your metabolism. Thyroid health doesn't get as much attention in the medical community as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes do. That's because these are in the top 10 leading causes of death. However, thyroid dysfunction impacts quality of life, mental and physical health, biometric composition, and cognitive function. As an endocrine gland, your thyroid makes and secretes thyroid hormones and calcitonin, which regulates the amount of calcium in your blood. In order to make adequate thyroid hormones, your body needs enough iodine, vitamin D, selenium, zinc, and B vitamins, among others. Your thyroid hormones affect the following body functions. First, how your body uses energy, or your metabolism, your heart rate, breathing, digestion, body temperature, brain development, mental activity, skin and bone maintenance, and fertility. These are all really important functions. However, hypothyroidism affects up to 5% of the general population, with a further estimated 5% remaining undiagnosed. So, why are thyroid conditions so prevalent these days? First of all, crash diets. Eating consistently at a calorie level below your basal metabolic rate puts your body into starvation mode. And reverse T3 puts the brakes on the function of T3, which is the active form of thyroid hormone. They also tend to eliminate whole food groups and put our bodies at risk for nutrient deficiencies. Next, iodine deficiency is also a common cause. We are consuming less seafood, and iodized salt is not available worldwide. We also consume fewer nutrients from food grown in nutrient-depleted soil, and of course, ultra-processed foods. Next, autoimmune diseases such as thyroid-specific Graves' and Hashimoto's are on the rise. Evidence suggests this may be due to our modern food supply, environmental, and emotional stressors. It is important that you receive a full thyroid panel if you are having your thyroid tested. Many practitioners will only order a TSH, which is a hormone that tells your thyroid how much T4 and T3 to make. The thyroid itself makes about 80% of the body's T4, or the inactive thyroid hormone, and 20% of the body's T3, the active hormone. Cells primarily in the liver and gut convert the inactive thyroid hormone, T4, into T3. So disruptions in gut and liver health can impact this conversion process. So it is best to test for all parts of the thyroid feedback loop. And this includes TSH, free T4, free T3, reverse T3, T3 uptake, TPO-AB, which is thyroid peroxidase antibodies, and TGA-B, which is thyroglobulin antibodies. Once you have your results, work with a multidisciplinary team of a naturopathic or knowledgeable medical doctor, along with a registered dietitian, to establish a plan to improve your thyroid's function. Possible treatments include testing for and replenishing deficient vitamins and minerals that are essential for thyroid function. If reverse T3 is elevated from severe dieting, adhering to a Mediterranean-style eating pattern with adequate nutrients and energy in the form of calories can be helpful. Working with your registered dietitian to eliminate gluten and lactose for 8 or more weeks, and then assessing your symptoms in labs and re-challenging back in if warranted can be helpful. Taking stress management seriously, and thyroid medication. From my personal journey with thyroid dysfunction, I know that if you've been struggling with what may be thyroid issues, the best steps you can take are to get a proper diagnosis and work with a knowledgeable, multidisciplinary team to support your best, most personalized steps forward. The results are not immediate, but will build up to a stronger, more resilient thyroid and metabolism in the months and years forward.